It doesn't always rain, but when it does, it pours. Pushed into a shove, left right where she stuck it. Each drop may serve as proof of my effort to fill this bucket. My only regret is that I was unable to prove the centrifugal motor could be used again, and to prove that there could be a ring around the Earth in space to harness the kinetic potential released during its various cycles, and also to prove that there is a light inside your eyes and its origins can bring us back to the very source with specific coordinates relevant to the central vortex upon which the primordial ooze of the cosmic mother's amniotic fluids connect to the very life force energy that we have come to know as our very own swimming pool. One which you have no memory of ever entering and no real plan for ever getting out. Swimming around, aimlessly divining meaning and purpose from tea leaves and popsicle sticks, crossing our chicken bones and rubbing our lucky stones, just to be sure, because it doesn't always rain, but when it does,